painting a wall or any other surface can be a fun family activity. Even the kids can help. But without the proper tools and without paint that provides good coverage, it could be difficult. When a primer or a paint doesn't cover enough, it's basically because of a very important characteristic, the hiding power, which the expert calls opacity. Boosting opacity is the focus of the new ChameleoBoost technology. Opacity is the ability of a substance to hide what's underneath. Some paints don't cover properly. The poorer the opacity of a paint, the more layers need to be applied to achieve sufficient coverage. It sounds simple, but there are some key opacity factors like pigment volume concentration, amount and type of titanium dioxide, volume and type of mineral filler, spreading rate, refractive index or optical density, and film porosity. Here at Omya, we have developed the unique technology with mineral fillers for boosting opacity. These functional mineral fillers, combined with our expertise in formulation, guarantee enhanced coverage at equal or reduced formulation costs while maintaining the performance of the paint. The ChameleoBoost technology offers a broad field of applications for decorative paints, from matte and semi-matte to semi-gloss and high-glossy paint systems. The use of Omya ChameleoBoost offers a series of benefits: opacity boosting, high brightness, enhanced titanium dioxide performance, formulation cost optimization, gloss control, reduced carbon footprint of coating formulation. The new ChameleoBoost technology, inspired by Omya, offers a broad product portfolio for all types of paints and coatings. Whenever you want to improve the opacity of your paints, Omya's technical service will be happy to assist you.